Okay, so let's start with the resources of Australia. Australia is among the developed countries of the world, and when it comes to resources of Australia, Australia is rich in a variety of resources, including the energy resources as well as the metallic resources. So, when it comes to energy resource, Australia has significant reserves of coal, petroleum gas, petroleum oil. In fact, uranium is also present in Australia in abundance. When it comes to iron ores, Australia is among the largest producer of iron in the world. Along with iron, gold is also present in Australia in large quantity. So let's see the areas where these minerals are found in Australia. So draw the map first. Okay, so if you remember, this is Western Australia, Southern Australia, Northern Australia, Queensland, New South Wales. All these we have already discussed. So let's start with the coal deposits in Australia. So coal deposits is mainly present in the eastern part of the Australia. So this Queensland and this New South Wales, these two are famous for coal deposits. Queensland and New South Wales. These two are famous for coal deposits. It does not mean that in other parts we do not have coal deposits, but majority of the coal deposits are present in the Queensland and New South Wales. Then coming to the oil and gas reserves. So oil and gas reserves mainly present in Western Australia, if you remember this part. So this part is Western Australia, and this region is rich in oil as well as gas. In fact, if you remember this Bass Strait, it is also having significantly large quantity of oil and gas. So these two regions are famous for oil and gas, Bass Strait and this Western Australian region. Then next, let's look into the uranium deposits. So Australia is among the largest producer and exporter of uranium in the world. So this part of Australia, this northern part, and this southern part, this is famous for uranium deposit. So these are the energy resources of Australia. Energy resources of Australia. Okay. Now let's figure out I'll leave it for a minute if you want to take a photo or something. Now let's figure out the important metallic resources, iron and gold. So let's draw the map first. So iron and gold, iron ore deposits, especially in western part of Australia. This one, if you have seen, is called Pilbara. Pilbara region is among the most important regions producing iron ore. In fact, if you know Perth over here, Perth region is another region where we have significant production of iron. And then, if you have heard of Canberra over here, Canberra is also the capital of Australia. So, these three regions are prominently for iron ore production. Then let's see the gold deposits. In the same map, we'll draw the gold deposits. Color मैंने change कर दिया already. Gold deposits. अगर अपने को ये याद हो यहाँ ग्रेट डिवाइडिंग रेंज और यहाँ पे ग्रेट विक्टोरियन डेजर्ट, तो ग्रेट विक्टोरियन डेजर्ट has significant deposits of gold, Great Victorian Desert. Okay, then gold is also present in this region in significant amount, New South Wales region. Gold. Okay. So obviously in the resources we are not talking about the forestry, the water resources, hydroelectric resources. We are mainly talking about the mineral resources. So this was about the resource found in Australia. If you consider that I need to discuss Antarctica continent as well, do let me know in the comment section. For now, I'm not covering Antarctica continent, but if you want me to cover Antarctica as well, let me know in the comment section. I'll take up the Antarctica as well. Okay, so thank you so very much. Have a great day.